Big rig, little rig, box, box. Big rig, little rig, box, box. Yep, you can use that to dance with. And there is times when you need a little rig. Or, in the case of this cage, a small rig. You see what I did there, right? This is my really tiny rig. And on the right is my big rig. And there's times when you need the small one. There's times you need the big one. On the small one, A7R2, 35mm, and away you go. Use any kind of sound system you want. Right here, we've got the Sennheiser AVX system. You can do what you want. Put a mic there, however you want to run it. Stick a shotgun, it's there. And I use this when I go to shows and I don't want to be mucking around. Slap it on a monopod. Be careful when it's on a monopod, don't do a Jason Vong and drop it if at all possible. But apart from that, it's so easy just to sort of chill with it, ease with it, easy to use, and you don't bash into anyone, which is a good thing. As usual guys, it's been emotional.